The EU Just Transition Programme at Tipperary ETB, where opportunity meets potential. We believe in education that empowers with hands-on learning, supportive teachers, and real-world skills that prepare you for the future. Whether you're exploring a new career, returning to education, or looking to upskill, you'll find the support and guidance you need right here. Our courses are designed with you in mind, flexible, practical, and focused on real outcomes. It's not just about earning a qualification, it's about building confidence, opening doors, and discovering what you're truly capable of. So why wait? Join the thousands of learners already shaping their future with the EU Just Transition Programme. Your journey starts now, and we're here to walk it with you.
We have been doing lots of tasks so far, like laying flats and paving bricks and use different tools, saw levels. We have also learned about drainage and the importance of levels and falls. I have also learned the 3, 4, 5 tools, but most importantly, I have learned how to do all these skills safely. And I am enjoying my time in Ireland and meeting new people. I really hope to get a job when I complete the course.